Ahoy, shipmates! You find me down here in Ocean Village in Southampton, right on the River Itchen, for the Ocean Globe Race 2023/24. It's an exciting round the globe race of 14 yachts. This is broken down into various different classes of yachts of different sizes and ages and different countries. We've got yachts from France, Italy, Spain, Australia, South Africa and of course the UK. Starting this Sunday at 11 o'clock, we'll be live streaming from here, Ocean Village, in the Port of Southampton, covering all the vessels that are departing, giving you some information and stats and figures as well. I think the big difference between this race and so many others are this is a retro racing, pre-1988 sailboats and previous Whitbread entrants. It's not called the Whitbread around the world race anymore, but that's what it was. These boats have no GPS, no high tech, no computers. Navigating with celestial aids and sextants with paper charts. Now, I do like to go out on the water, but I'm rather fond of my GPS and my navigational aids, I have to say. Not that there's nothing wrong relying on sextants and paper charts, but this is certainly racing the old way. Crews are down here this week, wonderful weather, they're busy finishing up preparations on the boat. Looks like some new lines going in here for rigging, so they're all out there making sure the boat is ship shape. I've heard all sorts of drilling and going on, and you can see them checking various aspects of the boat. Look, it's a big wheelbarrow of lines here. It's open to amateur, non-elite, ordinary sailors, although I personally can't quite see that because most of them require 1,000 hours of ocean going experience day and night, and it costs somewhere around £9,000 a leg to compete. So it's not a cheap race. All the boats are privately owned, and it'll be 4 legs via 3 Great Capes. Stops in Cape Town, Auckland and Punta del Este, and that's 14 boats, 250 sailors, around about 30,000 miles. I was reading one of the requirements, and one of the requirements is when you get on board, they lock away your mobile phones and computers, seal them up for the leg. You're not allowed access to those. They're also not allowed access to communications equipment to go back to shore, so friends and family don't know where you are or what you're doing. But they will be able to follow you, of course, on the AIS. They are actually allowing us to follow the ships, but they have no access to this equipment, and there isn't an emergency satellite phone on board should the worst come to the worst. But that's this Sunday, the 10th of September at 11 o'clock, shipmates. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, and when we go live, you'll be able to follow them on the start of their 30,000 mile adventure. Till next time, shipmates.